Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. Now I'm provided two ways. First method is go to your phone settings and go to app cloner, find your WhatsApp, enable to clone app, then showing it to two WhatsApp. Look, just click on to log in the another account from here. This is the first method, and the second method, you don't need to using another app. You can use one app and two account. Click on to WhatsApp, click on to three dot, settings, click on this arrow option and then click on to add account. Just click on to add another account. Okay, now successfully set up another account. So now you can use two WhatsApp account by using one WhatsApp app. Just click on to switch to the another account. So that's it. That's how you can easily use two WhatsApp in one phone.